Hi, I'm Tanya from Kerala. Now I am settled in Bangalore. Why I am creating this video is about medical coding course. I'm searching an online platform for learning this medical coding, and luckily I got a wonderful institution named is Henry Harvin. After joining this institution, it's an online platform. We can interact our teacher in online. It's a Zoom meeting, Zoom linked through. They can take our classes. My madam name is Devaki ma'am. After joining her class, I have beginning I have lot of tensions how to handle the course can be completed. But 4-5 classes I can understand. I am so happily because she teaches very well and in an informative way. If any doubt the student asks, she happily repeat that topic again. And we ask one time we ask madam, ma'am, we need some mock test from your side. Henry Harvin also gives some more practicing questions, but we need some more questions. Happily madam say, yeah, next day we can practice. The next class she gave 2 mock paper from her side, and we practice in the class also. She gives some more questions for homework like that for practicing session. Next class we discuss that questions also. If anyone any wrong answer told, she explained that is a wrong. This way you can getting the code. And Henry Harvin also gives so many mock paper and module based practicing questions also Henry Harvin given. We can access and we can practice. So just now only I am complete this course. Then now I am preparing for a CPC exam. Thank you Henry Harvin for wonderful teaching this course, and thank you my tutor for wonderful in classes and informative sections. And I suggested this institution for my friends and my cousins and all.